Okay, let's try it from start to finish all the way through. You'll see me doing some extra strums as we go further along into it. I'm just going to kind of make it up as we go along, but you'll notice whatever I do, my hand is always going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 down past the strings on every eighth note beat, every quaver. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, here we go, 4. Stuck in motion, moving too fast, trying to catch a moment, but it slips through my hands. All I see are long days and dark nights. I'm lost without you, but I'm on my way, so hold tight. I'm coming home tonight. I'm me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. 'Cause I'm coming home to back to the verse. Don't want to spend my whole life catching my breath, 'cause I've been running round and round and round and I got nothing left. There's nothing like a sunset skyline to let you know I'm almost home. So breathe in and hold tight. I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. 'Cause I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do. A way of diluting emotions, but I won't let distance get in between us, no. I'm coming home tonight. Meet me in the valley where the kids collide into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. I'm coming home tonight. I know you're ready for the sparks to fly into the morning. Oh my God, my time is coming alive. 'Cause I'm coming home to do-do-do-do-do. And that's it. Strum as much or as little as you want during that song. It's meant to be, you know, a bit of a banger, so feel free to let your hand go. At the end there, I was playing 16th notes. If anyone's interested in what that actually was. But it's really just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 with the up strums added in between. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. Above all, keep your strumming relaxed and natural. If your hand's moving like that, you're always going to be doing the right thing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that song, and I hope you come back to the OneChart website often and frequently. We're adding new songs all the time, and the main aim of the game is to get you playing songs like a pro with all your information, everything you need to know on one page to make it easy to play and practice and memorize. Thanks for watching. See you again.